Good morning, traders. My name is Okoyeocha. Analyzing the market from the land of rising sun. Today is Sunday, the 16th day of August 2026. If this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. I want to bring you the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Elliott Wave is the best technical approach to anything that can be traded via the chart. When you analyze it with Elliott Wave, you know where the market is going, and the 80% or more of the time you will be correct. So that's why I say it is the best. And also, it is best for swing traders. I mean, if you want to trade, if you want to know a direction for next month, weeks, even next year, you can only Elliott Wave can guarantee that. Most of other approach, other strategies are so myopic. They can only see within a short range, but Elliott Wave can tell you what will happen in future. Okay, so my phone number is at the bottom of this video. If you want a mentorship, you can contact me. The phone number is on WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS, call, and others. So I also have 3 Telegram channels. Two are free. You can join for because there I share test setups from time to time. Like this one, you can see this something like this. Imagine selling Bitcoin from 82,000 to down to this 60 zone. So such things is what I share. Like this very one, when price comes to this zone, I will know whether excuse me whether it will buy or whether it will do this and go down. So there's so much benefits joining my Telegram channels. Okay, so let's dive into the business. And uh, yesterday I made the first video for forex, commodities, metals, stock, indices, and so on. But today is only for cryptos, and the video will be short because there's no need wasting time where there's no need to waste time. So BTC, you can see daily charts. We are looking for the price to drop to 61K zone, 60K zone. But ultimately, what we are looking for is that Bitcoin will drop to this zone. I mean 56, 50 or below. If our forecast goes the way we are seeing it, if nothing changes, I mean, if politics doesn't change the things, definitely Bitcoin is going below 50,000. Technically, it's going below 50,000, but only politics. I mean, policies from countries like US, something can happen and things will change. If not, Bitcoin is heading to 50K and below. But in the nearest moment, we are looking for Bitcoin to drop to 60,000. Okay. So after that, we know what to expect next. Okay. Forward time frame, nothing to explain other than the selling will confirm when the price drop to 62,480. Then if it keeps going up, we can find buy set it up at the higher price. Definitely, it will not go above 63 600 before it begin to drop. So, but the safest place is 64,400. This is the safest place. That is, if the price keep going up, going up, going up, if it break this zone, maybe it won't go down again. But seeing it break this zone is very difficult. So selling continues. Ethereum, not different from Bitcoin. Let's check daily. As you can see daily, we expect Ethereum to sell at least to this zone, 1,500 zone or lower. So let's check 4 hours. Anything on 4 hours. Nothing that we are looking at a channel. the first drop will be within this channel, 1770, 1750 zone. Then we watch what happens, whether it will come back, whether it will come up to the channel again. This is what we expect next. Maybe after that, we watch whether it will just make little correction and break the channel, or whether it will touch the channel again. In all this, Ethereum, I don't recommend the buying on Ethereum. I'm only looking for sell. In all cryptos anyway, Litecoin, the same thing. I'm looking for sell in Litecoin. So here, this is the next thing, what we are looking at. This A, B, C, which will complete below 41 or thereabout. So Litecoin is equally selling. This very move we are looking at is what we call correction or pullback. So hopefully, I don't see this very move. I don't see this very move breaking uh, this zone. I don't see it breaking 45, 44.5. So today is Sunday. We keep watching because crypto trade every day. So let's be watching what will happen when the price eventually enters this place. Even that is if it will enter there, but it may not even be able to enter there, and the dropping will continue. So let me put my block. So let's keep watching what happens this place. Okay, that's for Ethereum. Anything about, sorry, for Litecoin, 1 hour, nothing. Only we are keeping our eyes to know when we get a sell setup. BNB, anything on BNB. Let's check daily. Daily, we are watching for it to break this inner channel to confirm the selling. On daily, on 4 hours, it have touched it. It have broken this one, dropped. This will be the ultimate one it will break to give us a bigger selling. So if you are a conservative trader, you keep watching until you get the breakup. In any case, whatever you see happening here is what we call pullback. Whatever is happening here is nothing but a pullback. I don't see it breaking this high. Okay, so here we will get a sell from here for BNB. SRP. SRP, I don't want to say SRP because to me it will make a lot of sideways these days. Okay, sideways will happen much on SRP. Though this what I'm seeing on daily time frame. So 4 hours and 1 hour can be different. Let's see 4 hours. So 4 hours, I don't see any difference. 1 hour, 1 hour, I don't even see any difference. Meanwhile, if the price can give me a kind of A, B, C, I will say from here because from here it will drop. Okay, let's try to measure where we are expecting it to drop when the selling begins. Let's let's use this trend line from here. So Litecoin, sorry, SRP will be definitely coming back to this zone 0.98, 0.98, 0.97 zone before we be looking for either buy or correction and sell again. And one time will tell, but I don't think buying it this time around makes any sense. Okay, so what again? Sheep. Sheep is selling. I don't have anything to explain on sheep. He's selling, but I don't want to trade sheep this time around. Dogecoin. Doge is equally selling, But for me to sell Doge, I would like it to give me an ABC, an A, B, C, which means the price will come to this fair value gap. If you trade ICT, SMC, you will know what we call fair value gap. So we have fair value gap here. So if the price comes to this place, I will happily sell from here. So if not, if that doesn't happen, I have no business with Dogecoin right now. So if I see this, I'll be glad because from here I will sell. CRO, the same thing on CRO. If I see a huge buy that will break this high, anything that break this high, then I'll be prepared to sell from here and come down to this zone. If that doesn't happen, I won't trade CRO. But again, I think I will stop. Okay, let's check BCH. BCH is a nice pair to trade in cryptos. BCH, let's check 4 hours. 4 hours is making sense. So BCH, from my last analysis, I said the break of this line will make a continuous dropping. So it's now dropping. Now, what do we expect? It will continue to drop. The dropping will continue. Whether it do something like this, come to the fair value gap and drop again, or it will just keep dropping. So what am I trying to sell on this one? The BCH is selling. No reason to buy. As far as I'm concerned, no reason to buy it now. VET is equally selling. Okay. Selling will continue. Any pullback is a bonus. So VET will continue to sell down to 0.0042 area. Okay, that's for VET. Let's check ZEC. ZEC is also selling. ZEC, in fact, ZEC is giving us a nice setup. You can see this setup is very nice. Okay, but here we should be our stop loss. If you are selling ZEC, here should be the stop loss. 530 or thereabouts should be stop loss because the target is 420, even 400, even 380. So that's for ZEC. So because of is a trade that I'm looking at that I will possibly trade. Let me go down to 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Uh, okay. Can we get this? Can we get this? A, B, C. Can we get it? If we get it, better. Okay. It becomes W, X, Y. But the problem is, if Bitcoin begin to drop, this will be difficult to get. But if Bitcoin begin to buy, we can actually get this very move I'm showing you right now. Then the selling will be sweeter. In any case, if that doesn't happen, any move below this place, I will begin to sell because the selling will lead us down to 420 zone. That's a lot of money to make. Okay, and that's where Oh, I'm forgetting something. One of my favorites, Sol. I'm forgetting Sol. Oh, Sol USD. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Okay, man. Sol USD. Okay, so nothing much to show you on Sol. And I'll see why I say that you should join our Telegram channel. I shared this freely. Imagine selling from here, from here, from here. You know. So now Sol, let me check daily. Sol USD. Can fish up here. Okay. Mm, this is what we call leading diagonal. So it is either A or B. So A or 1. So Sol will drop. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours. So you can see we have an ABC, a perfect ABC, and it hit our adversarial zone is now selling. So any move, any buy on Sol will be a bonus. Sol is selling. So how do we enter the sell? Okay. If we get this move A, B, C, better because stop loss should be here. Okay. But if you don't get that A, B, C, I just show you, the best thing to do is to watch out the break of this place, or you can place a line to know once it's broken. Okay, it has broken the line, so let it confirm break of this place. In that case, stop loss should be here. Okay, I don't like trading where stop loss is far, but sometimes market will be correcting, continue like this. If you think it will end, it will just do something like this and make a double correction. By then, if stop loss is here, it will kill it, but if it is here or here, it won't touch it. But the disadvantage is that if something happens, maybe an economic news, and a huge move happens, you lose much, which is not wise to lose much. You can lose, but don't lose much. That's my philosophy. One of my idea in trading. So in that case, you be conservative in your entry. Let's maybe you stop loss here, say stop, or if you are watching the market, a break, a 1 hour candle close below this place, then any pullback you sell, or you sell at the close of the 1 hour candle. Stop loss here, it's not much because the target we give you about 5:1. Okay, having said this, I'm bringing to an end this weekly analysis. Thank you for watching and God bless you.